everyone, and welcome to another episode of Project Dream. In today's episode, it's a little wonky. We're going to be installing the intake manifold, changing a thermostat, installing a radiator, installing the battery, installing the power steering, installing the fan and the fan shroud, and making a special cold air intake. Or not cold air, but short ram. So let's just cut straight through the intro. Okay, so, with all of that stuff going on, here's the situation. I have a drift event next weekend, and this car's still sitting on the ground. Actually, not even next week. It's actually, I've got 3 days. I've got 3 days to get this car on the ground and driving, and I've got a lot of other stuff I gotta do. I still gotta make a bash part, I gotta get some stickers made, so I kind of have to just do this quickly. And it's actually the hardest thing with video editing and video is that each video takes hours to make because you're going in detail. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm wasting like 5 minutes trying to do this over and over again until I get it right. And so all this time eventually leads up to now where I'm out of time and gotta get this car done. So all that said, down below I'm gonna have timestamps of everything that we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna do the best I can for you guys to just kind of show what I'm doing, but this is probably going to be a messy video. Right now it's second week of August. Well, technically now it'd be the 3rd because it's Sunday. So with that said, let's start working. Why are they the same? So for those who don't know, there's a thing called a leading and a trailing spark plug in a rotary engine. I think whoever owned this didn't realize that. You know, I bet you now that's probably why this car didn't idle right. Alright, so L. Leading, marked L, and trailing. Leading plugs go into lower spark plug holes. Trailing plugs go to upper hole. So 9 to 13 foot-pounds. This way, there we go.
I want to feel the real deal. Want to feel the thrill of joy. Want to feel the ecstasy. Oh yeah. Tonight, feel the flowing torque. Let it go. I need more and more. I don't want no words of fantasy, because I live in the moment of one alone. The more I want to feel the ecstasy. That is the fuel for my fire. Yeah. I don't want to see the sunlight daybreak, because I drive in the moment of one alone. The more I want to.
So then where I hooked up this vacuum line right here that goes to our fuel pressure regulator, that goes way over here to this plug here. So if you guys are wondering why I've hooked up this line here, it's because I'm going to prime the system before we start it. So you turn the key over and it's going to pump gas up, but because we had drained it and we're going to do premix, we're just going to let it run basically until I can see the premix gas come out. Then I'll shut it off and then we'll connect our new hose here that I got to cut the length, and then we'll go ahead and start the car. But we're still a ways away from doing that, so let's. Okay, next step. is getting our radiator in. When we go to put our new radiator in, you're gonna be missing something. And that's gonna be these mounts here in the side. We'll go ahead, there's a bolt up here, a bolt down there we gotta take out, and we'll have to put this onto our new radiator. Pull them out. I like how the three other ones are out there. This one's like, nope. Alright. So there is our mounts. I can see the cool. Here is a brand new radiator. Look at that. Look at that beautiful radiator. Beautiful. Now we do need to be ultra careful about touching these fins. I mean, just by like a little bit of shipment and stuff, these are actually already getting bent. So we need to be really, really careful with this guy. Yeah. Bad though. There we go. Oh. Gosh, well, it's a good idea. I sat and thought about doing this. So this one, this new one, will actually open up, I believe, at 170 or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Man, that is just like packed in there.